Good morning, grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. We have already started the chapter HCF and LCM, the fourth chapter. Today, we are going to learn about prime factorization of a number. So, we have learned about prime numbers and composite numbers and also about factors and multiples. So, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which have got only two factors, the number itself and the number 1. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7. These are all examples of prime numbers. Now, what about composite numbers? Composite numbers are those numbers which have got other factors than the number itself and the number 1. For example, the number 6. It has got the factors 1, the number itself 6, and the other factors are 2 and 3. So, 6 is an example of a composite number. Now, we also learned about what are factors. What are factors? A factor is a number that can divide a given number completely without any remainder. So, when you find out the factors of a number, that process is called factorization. So, we have learned we can express any composite number as a product of two or more prime numbers. For example, the number 6 itself, it can be expressed as the product of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers, whereas 6 is a composite number. Any composite number can be expressed as the product of two or more prime numbers. So, when you find out the factors of a number and when you express that given number as the product of all these prime factors, you call that as prime factorization. Again, you find the factors of a number and all the factors are prime numbers, then you are doing prime factorization of the given number. Let's see the definition once again. The process of writing a number as the product of its prime factors is called prime factorization. Now, here, the number 24. 24 is a composite number and 24 can be obtained by multiplying either 1 and 24 or 2 and 12 or 3 and 8 or 4 and 6. So, the factors of 24 are 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4 and 6. Here we have expressed the composite number 24 as the product of its factors. But are all these factors prime numbers or prime factors? No. So, let's see how we can express the number 24 as the product of its prime factors. So, keep in mind, when you are prime factorizing a number, you don't consider 1. Why? Because 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 has got only one factor, that is 1 itself. So, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So, when you perform the prime factorization of a number, you don't consider the factor 1. So, let's see how can we prime factorize 24. So, if 1 need not be considered as a prime factor, then let's consider the other factors. So, if we take the multiplication fact, 24 is equal to 2 into 12. It can be written as 24 is equal to 2 into 12 is 2 into 6. So, we can write like this. Now, here 6 is a composite number. So, we need to break down 6 as the product of two prime numbers or prime factors. So, let's write this one as 24 into 2 into 2 into 6 equal to 2 into 3. So, from this multiplication fact, we have written this. Now, let's take the other two factors 3 and 8. Now, we can write 24 is equal to 3 into 8 is equal to 2 into 4. Now, we have got 4, a composite number here. Breaking down that again, we can write 24 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. Now, taking the next case, 24 is equal to 4 into 6. That is equal to 2 into 2. 4 is 2 into 2. Then into 6. Again, 2 into 2 into 6 equal to 2 into 3. So, we have written 24, the given composite number, as the product of its prime factors alone. Did you notice that whichever factors we are considering, the final factorization, the prime factorization of 24 remains unique. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 3 2s and 1 3. Here also 1 3 and 3 2s. Here also 3 2s and 1 3. No matter whichever factors you are taking, the prime factorization of 24 is unique. It remains the same. So when you write a composite number or when you break down a composite number as the product of its prime factors alone, the prime factorization remains unique. It won't change. And you see, you can represent the prime factorization of a number by using what is called a factor tree. A factor tree is a tree-like diagram that shows all the factors of a given number. And we know 1 is a factor for all the numbers. So when we draw the factor tree of a number, we don't write 1 in that. And in prime factorization, we need not consider 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. So when you are doing prime factorization of a number and drawing its factor tree, you don't write 1 in the factor tree. So let's see how we can draw the factor tree after prime factorizing the number 24. So for example, I've taken the factors 2 and 12. So the first step is to write the given composite number. So here I've got 24. You need to put that inside a circle. Now you need to list out the factors. So 24 is equal to 2 into 12. So here you need to write the factors also inside circles. Now you need to connect these circles. So this means that 24 is the product of 2 and 12. Now you see 12 is a composite number. You are drawing the factor tree for the prime factorization of 24. So you need to break down this composite number 12. So what is 12? 12 is equal to 2 into 6. So you need to put these factors inside circles and connect them with 12. Again, 6 is a composite number. Break down that again. So 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Put them in circles and connect the circles. So this means that 6 is equal to 2 into 3. This means that 12 is equal to 2 into 6. And this means that 24 is equal to 2 into 12. See, we represented the prime factorization of 24 using a factor tree. So the final diagram, the final tree-like diagram or factor tree for the prime factorization of 24 using the factors 2 and 12 will look like this. Now you can draw different factor trees while considering different factors for the same number. Now you can see the other two possible factor trees for the number 24 in your textbook given in page number 49. So one factor tree is that of 2 into 12 when 24 is represented as 2 into 12, and there is a factor tree considering the factors 6 and 4, that is 24 equal to 6 and 4, and there is a factor tree considering the factors 3 and 8. Just go through them and understand that for the same composite number you can draw different factor trees. Why? Because composite numbers have got more than 2 factors. Now while doing prime factorization, keep in mind that the number 1 should not be included in the prime factorization of any number, and also that the prime factorization of a number is unique. So whichever factors you are considering, the prime factorization will stay unique. So I hope you are clear with the concept of prime factorization and how to draw the factor tree of a given composite number. So you may go through these topics, that is prime factorization, and there is a heading called enrich yourself that is given in page number 50. You may go through these two topics. Then you have to do the try this exercise given in page number 49. You can write the answer to the exercise in your notebook. So that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.